Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I bring you the unboxing and complete review of Casio vintage A158WA-1DF black digital dial silver stainless steel Casio watch. So this watch comes in Casio vintage series. So I have purchased this from Amazon during Amazon Great Indian Festival sale for rupees 1271 rupees. Its MRP is 1695. In normal time you can get it around 1500 rupees. So it comes with a warranty card, user manual, that's all. If you register your product in Casio website, you will and give some additional information, you will get 2 year plus 6 month extended warranty, total 2.6 years of warranty. So this watch is made of stainless steel. The strap is stainless steel, back is stainless steel, front is made of resin. It has a resin glass, so it is very prone to scratches. This watch is extremely lightweight. It is only 46 gram. You will not find any watch which is made of stainless steel such a lightweight. So this watch length is 36.8, width is 33.2 and height is 8.2 mm. So this is made in China watch. This is engraved here, engraved the serial number. You need to put this number during product registration in Casio India website. So this is how it looks on my tiny 5.7-inch wrist. In Casio website it is mentioned that this battery will last approximately 7 years on CER 2016 battery. So it is water resistant, but not mention how much is the water resistant. So this is the home screen. It shows hour, minute, second, date, month and AM PM. It has also a tiny light. Let me show you the light. This is the light. This is how you set the alarm. The light is very pathetic, but if you are in complete darkness, it will illuminate. You can see the time at last. So it has stopwatch. You can press so in the home screen, if you press this mode button, you can go to alarm page and stopwatch page, and in home screen if you press and hold this upper left side button. It will start to blink. The second, from there you can toggle between hour, minute and second. Then year, also day of the week. So it is very easy to operate. If you are a first time user of Casio digital watch, you should check out the user manual first. This does not have afterglow, means the time you press the light only it will switch on only that time. Once you release the button, the light will be gone. This is how it looks on my wrist. I love this watch. If you pair it with any formal dress, it will look majestic on your wrist. You don't feel the weight at all. It is such a lightweight watch. I love to wear this watch. Also, it is very clearly visible. So let me show you in details. It comes in a paper box like this. This model comes under Casio vintage series. It's called Casio A158WA. This has the same module as the F91W. So it comes with a standard 2 years warranty, plus if you put some additional information in Casio website, you will get 6-month extended warranty. This is the user manual. You should read it if you are first time user. This is the warranty card. You can log into Casio India website and register your product there. It is very easy. Now focus on the watch. Look at this, how marvelous it looks. I love this watch more than any other Casio watch of mine. Also, one more thing I need to say. This shows very accurate time. Only 1 to 2 deviation per month from original time. This is actually more accurate than my Casio G-Shock 5600 UE. I have total 5 Casio watches. This is the most accurate one. So this is the stainless steel back made in China. Screw down. The front glass is made of resin, so I have put a tempered glass on it. It doesn't fit properly, but something is better than nothing, I think. So this has a tiny light which is useful if you are in complete darkness. It has alarm. You can set the alarm like this. You can also set the AM, PM, hour, minute. Also can set the snooze plus normal alarm plus hourly beep sound. So This is the stopwatch. You can to press this right side button, it will start. Then to stop again press this, then to reset top left side. Then go to this page. If you changes from other page to this page, then the second button automatically start to blink. So at alarm page, if you press this right side button, it will say toggle between snooze plus alarm plus time hourly beep. So you can also press this button to toggle between 24 and 12 hours. When you press the mode button, after you come back to the home page, that second button automatically toggle. At that time, you can press the right side button to set it 0 or toggle between hour, minute and others, like this. If you set the second 0 after 30, it will add 1 minute, and if you set before 30, it will only set to 0. I must say this watch is very accurate, close to approximately 1-2 second delay or gain in a month. I think this has the same module as the classic A158W. So I am wearing the G-Shock 5600WA-1DF. Let me show you by wearing this on my tiny 5.7-inch wrist. Both are very good watch. I am a very big fan of Casio watches because of their quality. I have also this Casio A11100W wall timer, another beautiful watch. That's a review I have already put on my YouTube channel. You can go check this out. So if you pair this watch with any formal dress, it will look superb. I have already resized the strap according to my wrist size. I love this watch, man, superb. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.